Sandy invites you on a journey by boat, Malaga, with Sightseeing Malaga. Here's our boat. Paseo en barco. So, let's climb aboard. We can do the bus as well. Well, this is our view. Climbed aboard. A neighbour, a cat. Another neighbour, the Pompidou Museum. The fortress up top. Let's have a look at this. Hola.
Hello.
Very nice shaded area. And a bar. However, I think we're more interested in the view. So the captain's fired up the engines. We're about to depart. And here on the upper deck. River, yeah. Amazing construction.
Where are you from?
I'm from Costa del Sol. And here we go.
Vincente Alexandre said it was like a city not on earth. The Danish writer Hans Christian Andersen claimed he had never felt at home anywhere as he had in Malaga. We also remember the writer Al Secundi, who wrote, "Malaga is lucky enough to have been blessed by sea and land, and it has extensive vineyards and beautiful mansions which resemble stars in the sky." There is even a song which claims that Malaga is a house made of coral, shells and conches in the midst of the lemon grove.
See, happy people. I guess hopefully it's not Titanic. Whilst here they got these massive cranes for shipping containers. And all aboard. Capitano is the Capitano. Keep going, you'll end up in Morocco.
Full speed ahead, Captain.
And another romantic couple. But here we are, we're back. Very cool. Nice little journey. Old Capitano is genial. El Capitano, no?
The captain.
He's the captain. Exactly. We just need dos torpedoes. Dos torpedoes.
No, uno para ese y otro para ese.
Exactly. We give Flybu in Mundo Marina
Nos
una...
quedamos solos con el taco.
Seguro. That's it, we made it back. That was a joke. It's a nice little 1 hour journey around the Bay of Malaga. Very rich American there, I guess. American flag. here we are. And the ladies are waiting with the soft drinks. Good job. Well, bye-bye. That was quite good fun. Say bye-bye to our boat journey with city sightseeing, Malaga.